Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3252 printer driver download. So first you have to open any browser in Google search box to type like that. Okay, so how to download printer driver and installations and how to connect. Okay, so first you can see this is Epson's co.in. This is officially site, so you can just click on it. This is the model number. After that, slow down and just extract the driver. And now you can see this is a printer driver and just click to download. Slow down, I agree, and then click to download. So it will start downloading. And then complete it, just single click to open and then click to yes. Then click to OK, then again OK, agree, OK. Now printer is installing the driver and there are two options to install via network and USB. So if you want to install the printer, so on your printer and connect the LAN cable to your printer. Okay, after that just click to search and then click to OK. Then again click to OK. After that it will search the IP of your printer and it will show your next to install. Second method, if you want to install the USB, so connect the USB cable to your laptop or desktop, then you can see it will detect and then next to install. And if you are facing some issues, both network, Wi-Fi and USB also, so please comment me, I will support you.